Today's video is a bit different from our other videos. I'm going to show you how to request that we add a feature to TotalSync or discuss features proposed by other users. First, open the TotalSync website, TotalSync.com. Click on the sign-in link and log in. If you just want to look around and see what other people have created, you can skip this step. Once you are logged in, click the community link at the top of the page. This brings you to the TotalSync community website. You can use this website to view guides, give us feedback, submit feature requests, and interact with other TotalSync users. Click on the feature request link at the top or bottom of the start page. The page where you now find yourself, titled, reasonably enough, Feature Requests, outlines instructions on how to request your desired feature. Looking through the instruction, we notice that we are already done with Step 1 and logged in. See the top right corner where our user account is noted. Upon clicking OK, we find ourselves on a brand new page where we can describe the feature we would like to be added to TotalSync. Describe your feature here. Write about the purpose of the new feature, mention the pain point that feature resolves, if any. Don't forget to describe how you expect the new feature to function. Click Save once you complete your description. Congratulations! You've just made a feature request. A link to your new feature request is added to the list of feature requests. You or other users can use this link to find your feature request, make changes, or elaborate on it. We welcome all requests and suggestions. Even if you think you are the only person in the world who needs this feature, feel free to request it anyway. We consider all feedback valuable and are looking forward to reading your suggestions.